Good boy, Yowie, nice and slow. Alright, bring it in, Owen John. Go, Owen John. Oh, he's taking a bit of drag. Good fish. Nice and slow and smooth. Good boy. Good action, Owie. Good boy, walk it out, good boy. Gentle, gentle. Not too much pressure. Good fish.
Good fish.
Gentle, mate, gentle. Smoked off heaps of drag.
What is this tonight?
Ooh. Can see a few fish working there, boys. Look, Taylor dang. See him? Might be a big Taylor. It's alright, mate.
What's your new rig?
Yeah, just a bit of bait. Come over here.
Oh, no.
Ran you under a rock, mate. Lost the rig. We'll have to re-rig. Don't know. Something big. Got under the rock. It was on rock. I could feel it rubbing. Must be a bit of reef there, is there?
Yeah, it might have been a bit of reef there. Sometimes the skippy just fucking...
How are we, John? What do you got, Owen? Little tail line. Show me, Owen. Little tail line, mate. Well done. High five, Owen. We'll get him off. Alright, Daddy will go bait it up. You go let him go. You got him? Go let him go.
Brim slayer.
Go let him go, mate. Little tailwhite, is it, or a brim? Little tailwhite. Yeah. He's going, Owen. Right up high, mate. Right up high. Yes. Hoofo. Yeah, Owen. Into it. Go, Owen. Yes, double hooker. Go, boys. Good boy, Owie. Bring it in. Walk up the beach, Owie. Walk up the beach. What is it? Taylor? Who, Taylor? Yes. Well done, Owie John. Hoopo's on too. Well done, mate. Stingray? Will you come over here with Dad? Yeah. You got him on. Up him, Owie. Good boy. Old Uncle Buffy's still going on his Stingray over there. Stingray Slayer.
He'll be there all day, eh?
Oh yeah. I laugh if it's a massive Jew or a big snapper.
I talked to mate there and he said that there was a couple of Holloway caught here a few weeks ago.
What do you got there, Owen?
Oh, it's a rat.
Wow, mixed bag today, Owie John. All right. That's a wrasse. We don't eat them. We'll put them back.
Oh yeah, that's
Wrasse.
That's a shark bait, mate. Same as the Jewies.
So shall we keep him?
No, we're going to throw him back. No, we'll throw him back. All right. All right. Let's go put another bait on. Now go. Go on. Go on. Go Owie. Go Owie. beach, mate. Oh, another wrasse. That's some sort of cod. I'm not sure what that is. Wrasse. Well done, Owen John. Nah, we'll put them back. Wind it in, Owen, one. Keep winding. Keep winding. Walk up the beach, Owen. Walk up the beach, Owen. Oh, walk up the beach. Hey, Taylor. Woo! Well done, mate.
Awesome job, mate.
All right, we'll get the hooks out of him, let him go. Wind it in, keep winding, just wind it in. Yeah. The bite. The big bite. Big snoot.
That's terrible leading.
Yeah. Oh, and you catch all the fish, don't you, mate? That's called a snoot. Yeah, we call them a pike back where we're from. Big teeth on them, are we?
Oh yeah,
Heaps of snook, eh? I think I might move further up a bit.
Yeah.
Walk back up the beach, mate. Careful, he's got gangs. Alright, well done, mate. Pass him here. Alright.